I have this wood that's left over from a project. One measures 9 by 3 inches and the shorter one is 4.5 by 3 inches. And I'm going to paint all of them with the Wise Owl Snow Owl. You want to make sure you hit all sides and you can give it 2 coats. Once that's dry, I'm going to take a piece of sandpaper and just give it a very light sanding. This is just going to smooth out the paint a little bit. Now this is a rough cut piece of wood. I'm going to take my ink pad and give it a distressed look. I'm just lightly rubbing over the paint with my ink pad. And since this is rough wood, you could see that it's just picking up the raised areas in the wood, and I'm just giving it a distressed look. I have the word loved, and I'm going to paint that in Wise Owl Republic Red. This word came in a pack of 8 different words. You can get them from Hobby Lobby. Next, I have this hole saw attachment. It goes on my drill, and I'm going to put it in the center of the top of each piece of wood, and I'm going to drill down. Now, I'm not going super deep, but I'm going about 1/4 of an inch deep, and I'm doing this on both pieces. I have this metal ribbon. You can get this from Hobby Lobby. And I just went deep enough so that the metal ribbon can sit right in that little lip there. And I cut 2 pieces of the metal ribbon so that each piece of wood had its own. I have this grapevine mini heart. You can get this from the wedding section at Hobby Lobby. And I glued one down on the short one, and then I'm just going to take some raffia and make a little bow. I'm going to cut the ends off, make everything even. I want this to be a little messy. I'm going to glue the center and add this little half bead. Now you can fit a little tea light right at the top there. And the second one, I'm going to use the same little grapevine wreath that's shaped in a heart. I'm going to glue it down. I'm going to take my raffia again and make a little messy bow. And this time I'm going to take the word that we painted. I picked the word loved, and I'm just going to hang it off of the messy bow. You can just put a little piece of raffia through the one end and lightly tie a knot. And then you can glue that all down just so nothing moves on you. And then the half bead goes in the center to give it more of a finished look. And I love the way the tea lights just sit in the center here. You could really decorate these to any style of your choice. And to finish these off, I did just dry brush a little bit of white over the red. I really hope you enjoyed it. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, mesh stencils, and wood cutouts can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can check out other tutorials over on our webpage. Have a great day.